na naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.
Pinastos pa nila ako.
Of detention and the basis of detention.
And that's the smoking gun ng proceeds of the illegal.
You're a law enforcement, the highest law enforcement official being head of PNP.
And also, as you said, it's a threat for national security. One of the things na inopen up ni Senate President Tito Soto is the there is no different differences between the branches of government because of what the Supreme Court did. Parang pagpapaliwanag niya is that because of this verdict, para bang meron ng judicial overreach kumbaga. Kumbaga ang hudikatura na ang nagbabago ng mga rules about this impeachment, which is within the 1987 Constitution na hindi naman pwedeng baguhin yon if there is no charter change. Do you
Absolutely.
think about there is a judicial overreach because of this verdict?
Okay. Sa akin, ano, sa akin meron. Judicial
Mm.
overreach is the unwarranted encroachment by the judiciary into legislative or executive domains. Nagawa kasi ng Supreme Court is that they're abusing their power. They have to let the Senate impeach Sarah. Yung sa naman legislative at saka judicial, the interpretation of the law, because this is not a matter of something criminal. It's a matter of something related to governance.
Yeah, and I think that another thing that people need to understand, kasi marami kasi mga opinion sa social media right now na para bang sinasabi nila the court ruling is substantiated by saying that the vice president will not be impeached anymore. I think we need to correct it na hindi
Wow.
naman sinasabi doon
Can be
na
impeached.
pinapawalang sala siya. Sinasabi lang na merong specific na proseso na wala noon. Pero ngayon, kailangan na siyang ipatubad. May additional rules. Sa tingin mo ba because of this, nagkaroon ng kaguluhan with regards to the Congress na gagawa or mag-investigate nitong impeachment trial?
Sa nakikita ko naman, Billy, to some degree, yes. Yeah. But the Congress must, they have to discuss it further. Okay, they have to review they have to review the merits, okay, of yung sa impeachment case, and they have to make a final decision. And this decision should be for the good of the people, which is, para sa akin, si Sara. Why? Because she's been amiss in her duties. She's been lambasting the president, right, left and right, and she has been critical of the government. If you're a sitting vice president, keep your opinion to yourself. What Sarah did was not to create a fire. She created a conflagration. And so, dapat ang Congress talaga maging resolute na yan. Kung ako, ipa-impeach na yan si Sarah so that they would be able to help to save the country from a maniacal pretender like her. Yun lang sa akin, ha.
And also I wanted to add up kasi doon sa pinag-uusapan natin there was an issue about the process, about the Supreme Court verdict. I think my question to you is this, because there was a change. SP Soto was saying na sinusuportahan niya na daw ngayon ang Chacha because of this this sa kanyang palagay judicial overreach. What is your reaction about it?
Based on experience ng ating bansa, okay, although charter change may prove to fight that judicial overreach, it is not easy to do. Why? We're still bound by the 1987 Constitution, and we should have a consensus. Hindi lang sa mga nakaupo sa Kongreso, kundi pati sa taong bayan din na baguhin ng konstitusyon. Kasi etong sa akin ha, sa nakikita ko dito kay Sarah, okay, it may be major to them, pero para sa atin, there are more important things to consider more than yung impeachment. Kaya kailangan ito maging panahon na mangalap pa ng maraming ebidensya para in the final para in the long run, okay, eventually talagang matutuloy ang impeachment ni Sarah kaysa naman na agad-agad babaguhin yung constitution because it would create a ruckus.